One Ramadan 35 years ago, Valide Sultan opened its doors. Since then, it has been a home abroad for us all. Our children learned the Qur'an here. We gathered and made dua on Jumu'ah, Mawlid and Eid, and prayed to Allah. With time, our masjid grew, expanded and changed. We are now renovating Valide Sultan to today's standards. Would you like to place a brick for our place of gathering in the heart of London? We do not know where the Ridha of Allah will come from. This is a Sadaqah al-Jariyah that will last for decades. Maybe your destiny lies here. Who knows? Allah Ta'ala says in Surah At-Tawbah, Ayah 18, the masjids of Allah should only be maintained by those who believe in Allah and the last day, establish salah, pay their zakat, and fear none but Allah. It is they who are expected to be of the rightly guided. Let's build our masjid.